Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quality wine in Stardew Valley. First, you need to acquire the right ingredients. Focus on growing high-value fruits such as star fruit, ancient fruit, or melons, as these will yield the most profitable wine. Plant these seeds during their appropriate seasons and tend to them until they are ready for harvest. A steady supply of fruit is key to maintaining a productive winery, so plan your farm layout accordingly for continuous yields. Next, you will need to craft kegs to process your fruit. Each keg requires 30 pieces of wood, 1 copper bar, 1 iron bar, and 1 oak resin. You can obtain oak resin by placing a tapper on an oak tree and waiting for it to produce. Once you have all the necessary materials, head to your crafting menu and create as many kegs as your resources allow. These kegs are essential for transforming your fresh fruit into valuable wine. With your kegs ready, it is time to start the fermentation process. Simply place any fruit you have harvested into an empty keg. The keg will then begin to process the fruit into wine. This fermentation takes exactly 7 in-game days to complete, regardless of the fruit type. Once the 7 days have passed, you can interact with the keg to collect your freshly made wine. This basic wine is already more valuable than the raw fruit. To maximize your profits, you will want to age your wine. First, upgrade your farmhouse to include a cellar, which provides access to casks. Place your newly made wine into these casks. Wine ages over time, increasing in quality and value. To achieve the highest iridium quality, you must age your wine for 2 full in-game seasons. This patient process will transform your basic wine into an incredibly profitable artisan good, making your efforts truly worthwhile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.